In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error 2801 in your Canon Pixma printers. So on the screen you will see original in ADF and it's 2801. So the paper is stuck on the ADF tray while scanning. So how to fix it? So it's very easy to fix this. You simply have to open this section. So place your hand here and lift it up. And now take the page out. Now press it down, close it, and press the OK button on the screen. Wait for the error to finish. So the error is gone and the error light is gone as well. So this way we can fix the ADF paper jam and the error 2801. Thanks for watching.